Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel, Scholars Islamic Institute.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Today we have a new lesson from the basic Arabic book, which we call Qaeda or Nurani Qaeda. And today we will read about the signs of movements, inshallah. What are the signs of movements? According to the instructions, there are three kinds of movements. First one is fatha, which is always above a letter. This will be a slash or a dash, which will be always above a letter, above every and each letter. That we will call it fatha. The second one, that is kasra, and kasra is always a dash, and that will be below a letter. That will be the same dash and the same slash as fatha, but the position of fatha is above the letters and the position of kasra is beneath the letters. Now, the third one, we call it dhamma. Dhamma. Dhamma is always above a letter with a hook shape. It will be a hook shape. You can see it here in this box. So let's practice them. In the first box, there is a slash above the letter. We call it fatha. And a slash beneath the letter, we call it kasra. And a hook above the letter, we call it dhamma. Actually, they are the vowels of the Arabic. They will give you the sound of vowels. How? Let's practice them. For example, the fatha, that will give you the sound of A, and kasra, that will give you the sound of E, and dhamma, that will give you the sound of O. A, E, and O, the letters of English, just like the letters of English. So we will practice it now and we will see how they will produce the sound. But we have to know that we will not prolong the letters sound, nor we will read it with a jerk. For example, the first one, let's practice it. The first box here, this is alif, but when alif has any sign of movement, we will call it hamza. Then it will not remain alif. We'll call it hamza. So hamza has a dash upon it here on its top, which we know we'll call it fatha. So we will read hamza fatha, or you can also read alif alif fatha a. Did you see alif fatha a? So the sound of the letter alif plus the sound of A, which is the sound of the fatha movement. This is A. Now we will read the next one, and it goes alif or hamza kasra E. Sound of alif with E of the kasra, that is E. Next is hamza or alif dhamma O. A plus O is O. A plus A is A, and O plus E is E, and O plus O is O. A, E, and O. Let's practice it with Ha. Ha, fatha, ha. Ha, kasra, he. Ha, dhamma, ho. Ha, he, and ho. Okay, now let's move to the next page of the same letters. and the same lesson, and we will practice it with more letters. Here in this page, we have more letters, and we will read it again with the sound of the movements. The first one here is Ain, and Ain has Fatha. So Ain Fatha is A. Ain Kasra is I. Ain Dhamma is U. A, I, Ain, U. Next one is Ha. So we will read Ha Fatha, Ha, because Ha plus A is Ha, and Ha plus E is He, and Ha plus O is Ho. Ha, He, Ho. Next letter is Ghain. Ghain Fatha, Gha. Ghain Kasra, Ghi. Ghain Dhamma, Ghu. Next letter is Kha. Kha Fatha, Kha. Kha Kasra, Khi. Kha Dhamma, Khu. Next letter is Qaf. Qaf Fatha, Qa. Qaf Kasra, Qi. Qaf Dhamma, Qu. Next letter is the soft Kaf. Kaf Fatha, Ka. Kaf Kasra, Ki. Kaf Dhamma, Ku. That's all for today's class, and inshallah we will meet in the new class.